Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw money from Preply. Getting paid on Preply is one of the moments where it finally feels worth it. Like, okay, this is why I showed up to those lessons. What I usually do is head to the wallet icon at the top of the site where my balance is displayed. From there, I click the withdraw money button, and that's where all the options open up. Preply gives a few methods like Wise, PayPal, Pioneer, and Skrill, so I just pick whichever works best for me. I enter the required details, email, amount, and currency, and confirm the withdrawal. One thing I always pay attention to is the currency, because choosing the wrong one can lead to unnecessary conversion fees. Quick tip, try to withdraw at least $10 or more to avoid higher fees on smaller amounts. Once everything's submitted, it's just a matter of waiting for it to process and hit your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.